Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about Microsoft Windows 10 updates. So Microsoft is officially shutting down support for Windows 10. Yes, the operating system that has been with us for almost a decade is finally reaching its end. But what does this mean for you? Can you still use Windows 10 or do you have to upgrade immediately? Let's break it down. So the end of Windows 10. Microsoft has announced that support for Windows 10 will officially end on October 14, 2025. After this date, your PC will no longer receive security updates, bug fixes, or technical support. This doesn't mean your computer will suddenly stop working. It just would not be as safe. What it means for users: no security updates, then hackers can exploit vulnerabilities. New software may stop supporting Windows 10. Some apps and games might continue to run, but gradually compatibility issue will appear. Basically, Windows 10 will still function, but it becomes risks over time. But can you still use Windows 10? Yes, you can use, but here are the options. Keep using it at your own risk. If your PC never goes online and you just use it for offline tasks, it's fine. But for internet user, the risk increase after October 2025. Number two, extended security updates. Microsoft is officially offering paid security updates for business and individuals who want to stick with Windows 10. This means you shall still get update, but you shall have to pay for it.
100.
Number 3, upgrade to Windows 11. If your PC supports it, the safest and most recommended path is Windows 11. So Windows 11 is more secure, modern, and is still supported. So alternative option: if your PC doesn't support Windows 11, you can try Linux, Ubuntu, Mint, etc. as a free secure alternative. But you can check many videos on YouTube and you shall find how to use them. Check if your PC is compatible with Windows 11. If yes, then upgrade for free. If not, you have two choice: pay for extended support or switch to another operating system. So finally, yes, you can still use Windows 10 after October 2025, but it would not be safe unless you take extra points. So the world is moving forward and should your operating system. So what are you planning to do? Stick with Windows 10, upgrade to Windows 11, or try Linux? Let me know in the comment section below. Like and subscribe my channel.